If you saw a message after you insert the SIM on iPhone, SIM not valid, that means iPhone is logged with some specific carrier. First, ensure that Wi-Fi is connected. Internet connection is needed to activate iPhone. Ensure that Find My iPhone is off. If you put phone password for Apple ID encryption, then phone passcode also works while in the activation process. After insert SIM and try to activate phone, message pop up with SIM not valid. iPhone needs to update to latest iOS for that process. We insert gevey SIM below the SIM. After insert more option will pop up. Choose ICCID mode. Input latest ICCID. You can check on below description. Link for latest ICCID always. Tap on send. Tap on accept. Now you have to active your iPhone. Follow credential of setup. Now cellular network available. You can call or receive without any problem. If that stuff is helpful, don't forget to like, share with friends and subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.